integrated kitchen and dining space features a cohesive design that optimizes functionality and aesthetics. The kitchen unit seamlessly incorporates essential appliances, such as an OTG microwave, refrigerator, pantry, and a dedicated laundry unit. A thoughtfully designed MDF wall art with eye lights enhances the ambience in the dining area, creating an inviting atmosphere. A wooden demarcation elegantly separates the kitchen and dining spaces, providing a harmonious visual transition. At the heart of the kitchen, a centrally positioned gas burner with an accompanying chimney ensures efficient cooking. 3 drawers beneath the hob offer convenient storage for kitchen essentials. Additionally, we have incorporated a dishwasher for added convenience. The kitchen boasts a double sink, with a water purifier cleverly positioned beneath it, promoting functionality without compromising on design. A strategically placed dustbin completes the seamless and organized layout of this modern and practical kitchen.